Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to change the double tap emoji on Instagram. So let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your mobile device. Then go to your direct messages by tapping in the messenger icon on the top right corner. Here, you can open any chat where you want to change the emoji. Then tap and hold any message until the reaction emojis appear. And here you can tap on the plus icon and choose any emoji you want. Then after getting the emoji you want as a default, for the double tap, you're all set. Now whenever you double tap, you can see the emoji you chose. And now you guys know how to change the double tap emoji on Instagram. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.